Hello everyone, welcome to App Insights. So in today's video, what we are going to look at it is in AppFolio, how are we going to send bulk emails and bulk text after the recent update from AppFolio. So I will guide you through the whole process and give you tips and tricks to how efficiently send bulk text and bulk email. That is going to save you a lot of time. So as you're already familiar with this AppFolio interface, you just need to go to and under communication, click on messages. Once you click on messages, you will see that on the top you have multiple filters. The first filter is to just see the user based on the user, then based on the person, and based on the property. The second one is you can customize the inbox. You can make it most recent first, unread first, or only unread messages, and also all messages, full screen, split screen. So you have a lot of options to customize your message inbox. And here, the third option that they have recently added is send bulk messages. As you can see here, if you click on it, you will be seeing a lot of options. The first one is send text message to the tenants. Second one is prospects. Third one vendor and the owner. Now, our goal here is to send bulk text to a lot of tenants. This may occur in some situations like when there is an emergency water shut off, you need to send all these tenants right away that we are shutting off our water for this period. So just click on this, you will be prompted to X assistant. As you can see here, there is a new option that they have added. So you will be prompted to X assistant and you will see a lot of other options in the below. So first one is email. If you want to send a bulk email, you should be able to put everything here. As you can see, some individuals may not be able to receive the email. This is because if they have not been updated, or if they don't have an email ID, or if they have an issue with that, or if they have stopped the subscription, then I think you will not be able to send them an email. Our goal for today again is to send bulk text. And as you can see here, this is the draft table. So this is where we are going to draft the message. So first we have to enter all the recipient's name. Let's say for example, there is a 123 property at XYZ place. You need to enter all the tenants details and it will show up a drop down to see if they are actually available there or not. Let's say, so at this point of time, you'll be typing the tenant's name and you will see a lot of names. As you can see in this drop down, there is a lot of tenants name. You should be able to select one of those and then you're done. Once that is done, then let's say for example, if you want to send a specific message or an email, like, for example, there are two options for us. One, to make everything generic and send to everyone, or you can actually customize it based on the tenants. For now, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to customize the message for each of these tenants. So what I'm going to do is hi, and I can go to insert field, and as you can see here, you should be able to see tenant's name, tenant's first name, lease renewal date. There are multiple insert field options that you have here. Current month's rent, move-in date, ledger, online portal link, property site manager. You have a date, company name, everything, A to Z. So at this point of time, what I need is I need to add tenant's name. So what I'm going to do is tenant's name. Yeah, here is it. Then I'm telling emergency water shut off between 1 to 2 p.m. So now when you send an email or a message to any of these tenants, this will be automatically populated by AppFolio and then it will be sent. And you can use this AI feature to build this whole thing. If you want, this will also help you to just generate the text that you want. Let's say emergency water shut off generate. So it will auto generate the description or the message that you want, and then actually you can use that to then send an email or a message to the tenant. Okay. And you can also, there is a new feature where you can also, let's say you have drafted the message in English and you want to make sure that you want to send it to translate to Spanish. And if you generate the email and send it to Spanish, it will be automatically converted to Spanish and sent to all these tenants. So that's a super feature that we have now that we can take advantage of. So that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and was able to learn a couple of things from this. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and support me for more informative content. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.